welcome to Castle's Corner. I'm Coach Castle. This is a requested video. I've gone over it a couple times, but this is an individual dedicated to the sissy squat at home for no money. The sissy squat, of course, being one of the best, if not the best, quadricep builder, and this is what you need to perform it at home. You're just going to come over here, guys. You need 2 adjustable chin-up bars, one for the bottom, just high enough that you can put it under your foot and it's nice and tight. The second one, you'll be measuring to be just below your knee. My knee is here. It's about 1 inch to 2 inches below my knee. Make sure they're nice and straight. And also, the one on the bottom should be roughly 2 to 3 inches in front of the one behind it. All you're going to do to perform the sissy squat is step inside. Make sure your feet are on the pads. Make sure you're locked in nice and tight. Wrap the upper bar with a towel for added comfort, of course. Lean backwards. Now, when you're actually doing the squat, you want to eccentrically load the muscle. That just means that when I'm going down, I want to go down slowly, and I want to lean back because this increases the load on my quadriceps. Now, when it's time to come up, I can lean forward and rapidly raise myself with less load. This is preferable. I'm going to do a couple of demonstrations and then also demonstrate a female version as well. So this is what it looks like. No, it won't be me in a wig. A little bit more advanced. A little bit easier. Easiest. Now, you don't want to do these till failure, just a couple. Now, most people, their body weight is more than enough, and they should only be doing 5, maybe 10 reps. This is an advanced exercise. You already have to be strong quad-wise to do it.
Hello, I'm Kathy. I'm here to do sissy squats. I'm 62 years old and I have COPD. So let's see how it goes.
That was good there.
Good?
Yeah.